Do you believe that strong foundations at home give you the strength and the confidence to step out into the big wide world and have a crack? Well, so did our tupuna. Let me share with you a whakatauki to prove it. Tangata I ākona ki te kāinga, tūana ki te marae, tauana. Learn at home with your people so that you're skilled and confident when you go out in public. This whakatauki reminds us that what happens at home is critical. When we invest in our tamariki and our mokopuna at home, teaching them, uplifting them, and showing them what excellence looks like, they will carry that confidence wherever they go, whether it's at the marae or out in the big wide world. This whakatauki is perfect when you want to emphasize the importance of creating a safe and nurturing home where tamariki can learn and thrive. Or when you want to encourage whānau to be good role models, teaching the values and the skills that will set the next generation up for success. Tangata I ākona ki te kāinga, tūana ki te marae, tauana.